Okay, so let me go back to Kapule versus Yakult. Alam mo yung in that case, I don't know what's gotten into the Solicitor General. The Office of the Solicitor General made a comment in that case saying that that cutting of the grass in the premises of the company is a necessary activity, thus making the employee Kapule as a regular employee. Siguro alam Solicitor General siguro sabi lang, "Hindi, paboran natin." Di ba? Sabi naman social legislation, compassionate justice, and every nook and corner, kung ano yung mas maganda doon sa tao, yun ang ibigay natin. So, dineclare nila na grass cutter, si Kapule, is a regular employee. Of course, the company, sabi nga, of course, the company has to maintain a beautiful work environment. And certainly, a manicured lawn is necessary, is somewhat necessary in a way for its usual business, di ba? Oo, agree naman tayo doon na maganda naman talaga yung loan natin, 'di ba? Katulad sa amin, 'di ba, yung harapan namin talagang ginugupit 'yan, yung mga halaman, binibilog. Maganda naman, pero necessary ba 'yun? The Supreme Court says the that idea is shallow. Babaw niyan. The cutting of grass is totally not necessary. Ang sabi nga ng Supreme is totally alien to the business of Yakult Company, which is selling healthy beverages. Yung Yakult, healthy beverage drink. Even if the grass is not cut in the company, maski na maging talahib yan, wag lang masunog yung kumpanya dahil doon sa talahib, ano? Their business can still continue. Thus, Kapule, as a grass cutter, is deemed only a casual employee. Ano naman yan eh, parang araw-araw ba niya ginugupit yung grass? Hindi naman. Siguro once a week. Although, syempre, regular niyang ginugupit, pero hindi naman araw-araw yan. Pag ginupit mo ba yun, tutubo ba kaagad yan? Hindi naman, di ba? So, sabi, casual lang yan. But the reason I brought this up, kasi ibabangga natin dun sa mga other employees na who are doing maintenance job. Kasi si Kapule, maintenance job yan eh. Kaya lang gardening lang. But in Ramones, in the case of Ramones versus NLRC, the Supreme Court ruled that peripheral jobs like performance of peripheral jobs in a company, may mga peripheral jobs like maintenance work, maintenance chores done by maintenance carpenters, maintenance painters, maintenance gardeners, or electricians can be considered as a necessary job. Kasi 'di ba sa isang kumpanya, pag malaki yung kumpanya, meron kang mga maintenance personnel eh. Sila yung pag may nasirang pumutok na ilaw, sila nagpapalit. Pag nag-brown out, titingin nila yung circuit breaker. Pag merong nag-chip na pintura, pipinturahan nila. Pag merong mataas na yung gas, puputulin nila. These are peripheral jobs. When I say peripheral, hindi naman talaga siya connected with the business of the employer. So kung halimbawa, supposing in the Yakult company, merong isang maintenance personnel doon. Kung may isang maintenance personnel doon na hindi lang naman gardening, kung hindi all around, that is a regular